Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 desktop icons missing. So how to fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your desktop, right click on views and click on show desktop icons. Now you can see that. The second method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your personalization, go to your themes, click on desktop icon settings, check it all, click on apply and click on OK button and close it. The third method is that in the start menu, right click, go to your task manager, scroll down, click on Windows Explorer, click on restart. After that, close it. Restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.